Hey everyone, this is Ant here. I'm going to show you how to use the flushing port on your Tohatsu 20 horsepower outboard. This will be useful if you've used your outboard in salt and you're trying to flush it. And I'm going to show you how to get that set up. Okay, so first we want to unscrew this right here. Our little flushing port. Okay, we got that out. And now you can take your garden hose, water hose, and it should just twist in there like this. I'm gonna try to do this with one hand. Kind of difficult, so I'm gonna use both hands and get it started. Okay, all I did was, as you can see, is rotate this garden hose clockwise, and once you get it in there, you're good to go. And now you just gotta turn on the water, so that's what I will do next. Okay, now that our hose is connected, I will turn on the water. And as you can see, we get a lot of water pressure, and this thing pisses out really hard. And it's going to help get any salt deposits out of there. I'm also going to show you guys a different way how to do this, as well how I actually do it. And I'll catch you guys in the next video.